Hey guys, it is Monday, January 24th. I just wanted to start this vlog because even though it's going to be spanning over the course of 2 weeks, I wanted to kind of check in with you guys today because it was a special day. I was actually able to do my first short stream back since the concussion. Well, I guess like for first stream back since like feeling more okay in terms of symptoms. Like I've been feeling a lot better in general, and I'm very like hesitant to even say that because I'm like I don't want to jinx myself in a way. And I don't know, but basically I've been feeling a lot better, and this was like a good test in terms of seeing if I am like truly where I think I'm at in terms of my recovery and stuff like that. So that was like a really good test. But so that was, that part of it. But also it was just amazing to be able to spend time with you guys on stream and just like, you know, just interact with you. Like it's part of my normal routine. It has been for the last 5 years. And not having that for the last 6 weeks has been incredibly difficult. It felt like I had this huge chunk of my, like, I know this might sound dramatic, but like it was like a chunk of my heart was missing. You guys really truly mean so much to me, and being able to actually stream today, here I am getting emotional. You guys made me feel whole again, and it just kind of felt like I was home. So yeah, it was a really good feeling. And I did have to limit myself to an hour and a half, and we did a good job. I could have definitely gone for like way longer, but I'm glad that I did stop myself, because I do need to ease myself back into things and like actually be good about gradually increasing the amount that I do. But I really do mean it. Like it made me feel like I have like my life back in a way, because you guys are not just you're not just like random people that I've met on the internet. You guys are my friends. You guys are like my extended family. And so to like be kind of cut off from like you guys for that long, it just felt really, felt really bad. So I'm just very grateful for the amount of time that I was able to spend with you guys, and I'm really looking forward to Thursday's stream. Fingers crossed that things go well and that we can do another stream on Thursday, because that's the hope. We're hoping that I'm at the point where I can do that again. So yeah, so that's the plan right now. And since this is going to span over the course of 2 weeks, I will definitely check in and let you know about like Thursday and all of that stuff. But just thank you for coming to the stream and for just being such amazing people. I really don't know how to thank you guys for what you do for me. It just feels really good to be back in like any capacity. So I'm just really happy. So, I did take a little time to decompress, and I did some meditation and stuff so that I could kind of calm my brain down after like so much excitement. But I just felt like I should kind of include some of this in the vlog as well, because it just feels like a really important day, and I just want to have it in the vlogs as well. So that's all. I just wanted to kind of share that here, and yeah, but I guess like I want to explain one thing before I like call it a day. When I said it felt like I was home, it basically felt the same way that I felt when I moved home after being very unhappy at a job that just like it basically just like drained all of the happiness out of me. And when I came home, I just had this sense of relief, and I was happy to be with my family again. And just the way I was feeling when I was able to move home is how I felt when I was able to stream again today. So that is really significant, and that's what I mean by that. So in case you guys are like, what? That sounds really weird. So anyway, just wanted to kind of clarify that that's what I meant. But I should probably go and take it easy, because now I'm getting myself all worked up and I need to kind of wind down again so I can get ready for bed. But I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's just been such an amazing day. So I just wanted to share. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I don't know, check in with you guys soon. But thank you for today. You guys are amazing. Hey guys, it is now Wednesday. I forgot to check in with you earlier, so like I'm all ready for bed, have my retainer in, but I wanted to update you before I go to bed because I have some news. By the time you see this vlog, you will have probably already known, but basically I have a schedule for easing myself back into streaming, and I am like the happiest I've been in a long time. I mean, basically Monday was an amazing day and I loved spending every moment with you guys. The time during the time that I had. Sorry, I'm really tired trying to get my thoughts out. But yeah, so I get to stream again tomorrow for me, and I'm looking forward to being able to do 2 hours. And then next week will be, I think I'm trying Monday, Thursday for 3 hours, and then I have like the rest of the tentative schedule written down. So I'm so excited. I still need to like be careful and make sure that I'm not overdoing anything, but like if I do start to feel something, I will stop, because need to listen to my body. But this just it just feels really good to start planning on doing more of my normal stuff. So I am just like over the moon about it, and I wanted to share that with you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna finish getting ready for bed and go to sleep because I'm really, really tired. So I'll check in with you guys soon. Oh yeah, I forgot. I did a whole bunch of, I did some work on Patreon art, and I guess I will show you guys that time lapse. I'm really, really proud of how my winter character is turning out. I'm not actually drawing her in a chibi style this time. I'm doing more, I guess you'd call it manga style-ish. So yeah, and I think she's looking really good. So hopefully I can do a good job with like, I don't know, the rest of it, because I feel like she deserves so much better. And I really hope that she turns out the way that I'm like envisioning her to be. So anyway, moving on, I'm gonna go finish getting ready for bed. Enjoy the time lapse, and I'll check in with you guys soon. Hey guys, it is Wednesday, February 2nd. Just wanted to check in with you, let you know what's been going on the last couple days, I guess. So essentially, we did not have water at our house for the last 2 days because of a water main break. And then also, there was another issue with a valve on a fire hydrant near the water main break. So, yeah, 2 days, no water was not the most fun, but today we actually have snow, and we're supposed to get more snow tomorrow or throughout today and tomorrow. So lots of snow, so we're staying home as usual, and yeah, just kind of staying cozy, but hopefully they're actually fully finished with everything and we don't have any issues since we have snow and all of that. So I don't know. Hopefully things continue to go a little bit more smoothly. Because yeah, it's been an interesting 2 days of not having water. So anyway, modern conveniences. Let's appreciate them for a second. Like running water, especially. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that was something that happened the last couple days, but hopefully we are all past that those issues now. So that is the hope. I am planning on working on more Patreon art today. So I figured I'd do a little time lapse of that for you guys because I was not able to stream on Monday like I had planned, but whatever, it's okay. The schedule has been kind of shifted and I'm adjusting to whatever things come up because you got to do what you got to do, right? So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, so I'll be working on Patreon art, trying to finish or not finish. There's a long ways to go, but I want to make some more progress, significant progress on the January piece. And then if I can get started on maybe doing some line art for this month's piece, I'd be really happy because I think that one's going to take less time. So who knows? I might end up finishing that one before, but I don't know. We'll see. So gonna be working on art, still taking breaks and making sure I'm taking care of myself, resting my eyes and everything because I'm still not 100%. I'm definitely on my way towards getting there after the concussion, but it takes time. So patience, easing into things, all the stuff that I've been talking about for however many weeks now. Sorry if it's getting old, but I'm just kind of letting you know where I'm at different points in time. So yeah, but let's see, other than art and maybe a little bit of editing this particular video so I don't feel, behind, I think it's gonna be pretty chill. Art, a little bit of editing, and then just relax. So yeah, but I'm gonna go get started on I'm working on color on the January piece, Patreon piece. So I've gotten a little bit done, and I did a little bit I off stream and I didn't record. So I will hopefully finish up some of the color related stuff since all the lines are done, and then we'll see where we go from there. But all right, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I want to stop rambling. Hey guys, it is Thursday night. I just finished up stream. I just wanted to quickly check in with you guys. My brain is definitely like, it's basically like in mush form right now. Yes, mush form. Because basically it was a really, really great stream. You guys absolutely showered me with love in a lot of different ways, and I'm still feeling like really overwhelmed from it. Like my when when this happens, a lot of times like my heart rate kind of increases a lot. So like I get really like, I don't know, like nervous in a way, I guess, but like not bad nervous. It's good nervous, but still like my heart rate definitely like increases a lot, and stuff like that. So like that has gone down. It's all normal. This probably sounds really weird, but whatever. It is what it is. I am still I'm still like trying to process everything that happened today, but I just wanted to like pop in and say thank you guys for everything that you've done for me. It's really amazing. Every time I get to like, be on stream and hang out with you guys and make memories, like I'm always really happy and excited and just like really grateful for all of the for all of the moments, and then like you guys at whatever random times decide to like go way above and beyond and do like all these crazy things for me, and I just like my brain just like stops functioning for a little bit because I'm like, oh my gosh, how do I process this? I don't know. Like you it's so much, but I'm so incredibly grateful. So thank you guys again for everything that you do for me. Whether it's like being there and just hanging out and telling me about your day, or I don't know, starting like a random conversation about like things that you collect. For me, I collect like enamel pins and stuff like that, so I'll talk about that a lot. But just, I'm just trying to say, like, whatever it is, like, I'm just so grateful for all of those moments. And then, like, especially when you go above and beyond and do all of these crazy things, like, I just always want to make sure I'm expressing my gratitude, because I know that I wouldn't be here if it weren't for all of you guys. So it is really important for me to express these things, and I know it gets repetitive, and I'm sorry if it's annoying, but like, I gotta express myself, okay? I have to do it. It's just part of who I am, and it wouldn't feel right if I didn't. So anyway, I think I said my piece, and I'm going to say thank you one more time. And I think at this point I should probably relax and just try and clear my head, because it was a very exciting day, and I need to try and be a little bit more zen before bedtime. So that is what I am aiming to do. But I did not end up getting to work on art today. I was planning on working on art maybe during like the second half, but that didn't happen, and that's totally fine. We just ended up talking about all kinds of different things, and it was a lot of fun. So like I just let things go the way they were gonna go, and maybe next stream I'll be able to work on a little bit of art. I have a ton of different things that I want to work on, finishing up the January Patreon art, which you guys got to see a little bit more progress of that. I haven't done any as of today, but probably in the next vlog. I'm hoping to either finish it up or have it finished like really soon. So that is the plan, and then get started on the February piece. And then also I have my little secret project that I'm working on, and then I also really want to get a Discord banner made. Like I want to make a Discord banner because enough of you guys have boosted our server, so I have the ability to do that now. So I get to make one of those. I want to update the YouTube banner. I want to just like update a bunch of things, and stuff like that. So some of it might be a little bit more exciting than other stuff, but it all needs to get done at some point, and I'm not like stressed over it or anything. It's just kind of like, oh hey, I could stand to update this. Oh hey, I could stand to actually like make a banner for the server and stuff like that. So just kind of like little things getting added onto my list. So just keeping that in mind, and we'll figure out when to do all of the things just when I can, I guess. But anyway, I am going to kind of wind down for the rest of the day, and then on Saturday of this week, I am planning on doing another stream. So hopefully I'll be able to work on a little bit of art then. If not, that's totally fine. Like I'm just gonna go with like whatever people are enjoying, and yeah. So yeah, but anyway, I'm going to wrap up this vlog because I want to try and get it done. I want to get it edited and like uploaded and scheduled on Friday. It's still gonna go live on the normal day, so on Sunday at noon Mountain Time. So it'll be going live then. You'll see it then, and I hope you guys have had a good week. I'm just continuing to ramble, so sorry about that. But again, like, thank you guys for everything, and I guess, well, as I'm like hitting my desk. Okay, I was just trying to give you hugs and say thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are liking the vlogs, definitely give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It does help out a lot, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!